Car hub.
What's up guys, it's Carl here. In this video we're just going to do a short simple tutorial on how to reset your maintenance light on your 2020 Corolla, and this goes for newer ones as well. This is also when to change your oil. That's what your maintenance means. So this is how you'll change. It's just like it lets you know like when you need an oil change, and then you reset it when you get an oil change, and then it'll notify you again later on. So first we're going to shut it off, and then you'll start it up and wait for the loading screen to come up in there. Okay, see it says maintenance required. Okay, so we're gonna go over right here, and first you want to go back. You click that to get that out, the screen out of the way. And now we're gonna go over until you see that setting dot right there. So you just keep going over. All right, now you go down. So press down, go to settings, vehicle settings, and then you have to hold it. You have to hold the OK button until it gets there. And now you go to schedule maintenance. So go down, schedule maintenance, and it says push OK to reset. So then you push OK, and then you go to yes, reset, and then reset's complete. So now we shut it off, and then we start it back up, and it should be cleared. Yep, it's cleared, and that's how you reset your maintenance light on your 2020 Corolla. If you guys like this video, make sure to subscribe. We do a bunch of Prius how-to videos, how to like make your Prius batteries last forever. Anything on hybrids, we do a bunch of that. We specialize in that stuff. So make sure to subscribe and become a member too. If you want to join, become a member. You get special, like, you get to talk to me personally, and you get special things from me as well as commenting and as far as that goes. But yeah, thank you guys, and have a nice day.